Mihira, I'm a bit concerned about Mrs. Paul's approach to medication. She mentioned using herbal supplements alongside her prescribed antihypertensives. While some supplements can be beneficial, it's crucial to understand potential interactions with medications. We need to have a thorough discussion with her about the importance of informing us about any supplement she's taking. I want to avoid any adverse effects due to unintended drug interactions.
I completely agree, doctor. It's a significant patient safety issue. My plan is to schedule a dedicated consultation with her to address this. I'll use a non-judgmental approach to explain that while her intention to use supplements is understandable, certain herbal products can either increase or decrease the effectiveness of her blood pressure medication. I'll provide clear, simple examples, perhaps explaining how some herbs can thin the blood or alter liver enzyme activity, which is a major concern when she's on antihypertensives. I will also stress the importance of her role as an active partner in her own care, making it clear that full disclosure helps us keep her safe. Ultimately, my goal is to empower her to make informed decisions by providing her with accurate and relevant information. Mihira, thank you for coming in today. I want to talk about how important it is to use your crutches or walking aid as we discussed. It's truly for your own benefit and will help you heal faster and more completely. Using the crutches correctly is the most effective way to reduce the strain on your injured leg. By keeping your full weight off of it, you're giving the bone a proper chance to heal without any stress. This is crucial in the early stages to prevent further injury and ensure a strong, stable recovery. The crutches will also help you maintain your balance and mobility safely, allowing you to move around without the fear of falling, which is a major concern with any leg injury. I know you're eager to get back to your normal routine, but it's important that we approach this process carefully and in stages. When you begin to return to your daily activities, it should be a very gradual process. Initially, you'll need to avoid any strenuous activities that put a lot of pressure on your leg. For example, lifting heavy objects, running, or participating in any high-impact sports should be completely off-limits for now. We will reevaluate your progress at your follow-up checkup. The goal is not to put any full weight on your leg until we have confirmed it is strong enough to bear it. Following this plan will ensure your recovery is successful and that you can return to all the activities you love as soon as possible.